Mae'n disgyn Ben Maher, ac gyflawn i y derwyddon wrth ymosod yn munudau agoriadol. Mae da gan Conor Howard, ond mae Adji McNulty cefn i Bradley a Joe Ford, y cwrt Cosby. Adji Mang dal ar meddiant, ar ergyn dod i mewn, mae'n disgyn i Mitch Williams, sydd wedi rhoi derwyddon cefn ar y blaen. 4 munud o'r gêm di chwarae gwrth ymosodiad sydyn lawr y chwith. Mitch Williams yn sgorio gol gyntaf o'r tymor, a'i gyntaf yn Uwchlyngred Cymru. Dafliad hir Phillips yn ôl beirniad gan Wild, chwilio am Jack Kenny. Kenny yno o flaen y golwr, cael ei faglu, naddo, dim trosedd. A sa hwnna'n digwydd tu allan i'r cwrt Cosby, mae'n siŵr sa'n gei cryd. Dwi'n deall pam di hwnna ddim yn gicor smotyn, dadleuol dros ben. Phillips chodi yn letraws, ag at Wild yn dod i mewn ar y postyn pella. A dylia Wild wedi sgorio fanna. Davidson torri mewn i ganol y cae. Ar bas i Joe Ford rwan ar ei droed chwith. Dan bwysig y Ben Maher, lledu'r chwarae i Charlie Edge. Groesiad i tuag at y postyn pella, ac yn taro'r trawst oedd Mitchell Williams. I sleif oedd ei mewn ar yr ochr dywyll i Sam Hart. Arbeniad yn crafu to y trawst. Ben Maher, lledu'r chwarae i Cydwaliter ymlaen i Jack Kenny. Kenny groesiad i mewn tuag at Wild. Dim mynd braidd yn ei bell Ibio'r postyn agosa na Mike Wild. Tair mynd ar 10 o'r 90 yn weddill. Tuag at y postyn pella Wild yna, mae'r golwr yn ei gollwng i. Bradley'n ffugio i fyny. Thynnu nôl i Phillips. Sam Hart chodi fyny tuag at y postyn pella. Y beniad ar draws tuag at Wild. Mae'r Flint yn gyfartal. Michael Wild. Gol rhif 1 o'r 10 o'r tymor iddo fo. Derwyddon cefn un y Flint un. Sam Hart ar gig gornel. Tuag at y postyn pella. Y beniad dod mewn. Mae taro'r traws gan Mike Wild. Oedd hi'n ongl dyn iawn. Da ni yn yr eiliad ola o'r 90 yma ar y graig. Phillips yn chodi fyny. Yna lawio. Oedd mi o'na. A fyna Gerdyn Melyn hefyd. O, yna Gerdyn Coch i Niall Flint. A Niall Flint wedi gweld ail Gerdyn Melyn am lawio gêm gyntaf o ers dychwelyd o waharddiad.
We're not a bad side. It's a confidence thing. I work so hard with getting to know the person, getting to know how they tick, getting to know the sensitivities and whatever. In a football sense, I just want to get them out and have no fear, and they had no fear tonight. They went and played against a team that are second in the league. They're a very good team, by the way, and I respect every one of them because they're a good team, right? But I want to respect our players tonight because they have a right go, and we're disappointed not to get the win, if I'm honest.
Kevin Druids defended resolutely. You know, when you give teams, when teams go ahead in this league, it gives them something else to hang on to and fight for. If you score the first goal in these sort of games, I've watched Kevin Druids 3 times in the last 5, games live. They've got honest group of players. They've got lads that carry a threat going forward on the counter-attack. They work hard without the ball, but goals change games at important times. Them scoring first makes them hold on to something, gives them something to hold on to. They defended set pieces a lot better than I've seen them in the last few weeks. And stood up to the challenges that we presented them. When we did change the formation, we did sort of managed to pen them in a little bit more, but they always carried a threat on the counter-attack, and probably our quality let us down in the final third today, which is something that we've been good at most of the season. So hard to be too critical of the players. We accept when we don't get a result in a performance. That's together. If it's we win together, we lose together, we draw together. So in terms of that, we just regroup now and then look forward to the Bala game a week on Friday.